Hey everyone, Alice here. I'm going to try and talk about a Toyota Avalon 1998 that will not start. So first off, about a week ago, it was doing this clicking sound when you twist it, so you're turning it on right to start it, and it just kind of clicks. It's like click, 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 click. That, and if the light's turning on, that probably just means the battery's dead. So I learned that from Yahoo Answers, best place ever. So my friend and I went to Target to get a jumper battery, and they cost about the same price as a battery, so it's a little silly that you wouldn't just get a new battery, but you know, we thought the battery would still be okay, so why not? So about a week later I stopped driving it for like 3 days and it didn't start again. So here I am trying to get it, and by didn't start, oh my god, it's loud. I'm in the freeway right now, so by didn't start I mean like nothing. There's no light, there's no clicking, I can't even turn on, open the doors with the electronics or any of that. So one of my ideas, or my friend's idea, is that it's a fuse, so I've been checking fuses. So I will show you how to do that. At least the most I know right now, which is, so first of all, you're gonna have to get a little bit down and dirty in your gross car. So okay, here's like your car, right? See if I might have to switch it. I wish there was a way to switch it, but... Okay, so right here, you want to get this out. Oh god, it just pops out. It's super easy. And then there's all these fuses here. So the reason you want these fuses, you know, I'm going to let you look at a more technical video because I'm not a certified car mechanic. But if you look here too, whoop, there's all these... Oh, that's weird when you have to read it it's backward for me when I look at it. But anyway, I was like, maybe it's the starter. So I was taking out the starter one, and they map perfectly. So let's see here. There's the starter. So I pulled out this one. And the way you pull that out is on your hood. And your hood is right here. So you snap that really hard. And then like under the hood. I don't know if you've ever done that before. If not, you should watch another car video about how to open the hood. All cars are a little different. Let me put these back so you can emulate what it's like. Okay, so, I'm gonna flip this video around.